Lucy.
Hi, I'm Olivia. Mommy, did you know Valentine's Day is coming soon?
How about today we're learning to draw something super cute for Valentine's Day?
Let's begin, guys.
Okay, we prepare a pencil, eraser, right? First of all, we draw the big heart in the middle of the paper. Okay, so we could slow down from the middle and draw the half circle. You could slow down a half circle, right? And this part, we'll draw another. Another arc right here. And then slow down. Just try your best. You don't have to be perfect.
Yeah, guys.
Here.
And you can give this to your loved ones or your family member.
Here, try the best to draw around. Right?
Wow, that's beautiful.
Then draw the oval a little bit right. Actually, it's pretty close to the middle, okay? So here. Like this big. Like this big. You could draw a little bit bigger, okay?
Okay.
Then draw the oval about right here. Stick together, huh? Right here. Control bigger.
Looks like an old man's body.
Here. I think just like that. You draw a little bigger. So now we start to use marker.
Nope.
The first draw the big heart, okay? But have to slow down, no rush. Now I'm gonna do like from here, half circle, and then draw another circle. Half circle. Yep. Yeah, when you be here, just slow down, connect. Connect. Nice. Okay, try to clean up a little bit. Okay. And now we draw this cat. Slow down. Try your best to draw the oval. Yes. Draw this one.
They look like rocks.
Yeah, now it looks like rock. Okay, perfect. And now I'm gonna add 2 ears from this one. All right. Yeah, and here, I'm gonna draw this one first, okay? So, I'm gonna draw up 2 circle big eyes for this one, because this one, I planning to draw this cat as black cat, okay? So I'm gonna add the 2 big circle. circle. Yeah. And then here, I'm gonna put a cute big nose for the little cat. That's a good idea too. Nice. Okay. So and now I'm gonna draw this one. Yeah, I'm gonna add the ears for that. And then I draw the 2 smile eyes for this one. Right here. One. Here's another one. Okay. Put the big nose. Okay. So now I'm draw like this cat's arms, they're holding this one, okay? So I'm gonna start from here, around the face, and just here, like this, okay? Yes, and here is his body. Okay, and then this one's the hands are from here. So I'm started from here, okay? Like here. Yep, and the body. Good, just like that. And the last part, I'm gonna add 2 hearts here. And here, probably put another one. You could add a little bit more if you want. Right. I'll put the small one here. Yeah, this cat have a circle eyes, so he gonna looking down. Here's okay, perfect.
Hug.
Okay, we're starting to add some colors on it. Are you ready?
Let's begin.
we're done.
Yeah, guys, it's like me and my daddy.
Oh, you and daddy, and where's mommy?
Well,
This is mommy.
we're just having father and daughter company.
Oh, okay. But wow, I really love your chubby cat. This is so cute, right?
Squish, squish.
And mine is super cute too.
Yep.
Hope you guys enjoy this video.
Subscribe if you like this video. Comment down below what we should draw next. Bye, guys. See you next time. Give a thumbs up.
And happy Valentine's Day.
Early Valentine's Day.